Sometimes you'll see a question that asks you to choose all the common multiples of two numbers. So here we have some choices, and we're looking for all the common multiples of 3 and 4. So I'm going to make my mountain, which reminds me that I'm skip counting to find multiples. So this time, we're not just looking for the least. We can't stop when we find 1. We need to keep going. So this time, I'm going to go all the way and list all 12 factors for both of these numbers. So remember, I'm just skip counting, or once you've memorized all of your facts, we're just writing out the threes table. Maybe my mountain could have been a little bit bigger. Let me try to squeeze these in down here. Now I'm looking for all the multiples that they have in common. Common tells me that means that they both have it. So we're just looking at our numbers until we find numbers on both sides of the mountain. I see 12. I'm going to keep going. Here's 24 on both sides. Keep going, and here's 36 on both sides. So I have 3 answers that I need to choose. 12 is a common multiple, 24 is a common multiple, and 36 is a common multiple. So if the question asks us to find the least common multiple, then we could stop at 12. But if it asks for all, we have to keep going until we've checked all of the possibilities. Sometimes you'll be asked to find the least common multiple of 3 numbers. So this time I'm going to make an extra mountain, and then you can kind of choose where you want to count, but we need to list all 3 multiplication tables this time. So because I'm looking for least common multiple, I'm going to do, I'm going to catch my mistake. I'm going to do 5 on each one first. I think I'll go this way. Now I'm looking for something that is common to all 3. And I see that I have 4 on these 2, but there's no 4 over here, so that cannot be my answer. I see 8s here, but there's no 8 on the 5, so that can't be my answer. I see 20s here on the 4s and the 5s, and I know that if I count by 2s, I will get to 20. So I have to go farther if I have 3 numbers to use before I find the least common multiple for 2, 4, and 5 equals 20.